Thank you. She was nice. Yeah, if they hear this exhaust in this area, they're gonna rape me. For sure, they're gonna rape me. But what we are here is just riding insane. Well, the reason we are here at this un momento of life is because I would like to get destroyed by gravel, right? No. Ah, there you go. I want to turn on the voice recorder that I have in my bag. Huh? See that? Dodge a freaking butterfly. You saw that? I don't see a stop sign, but it says stop, so I'll stop.
Water.
Hope you guys can hear me, man. We gotta find another place to stop and turn on the voice recorder. Oh my god. Nimbus, shut the hell up! God damn, son. I know the channel is small, so the chances of me finding somebody out on these streets is very, very small. But it makes me very happy to know there's people out there on these streets right now, riding the same roads that I am, and seeing them in person and knowing that, hey, you watch my videos, or you just like my videos, I don't know, anything, or you hate me, but still say hi, alright? Ooh, jiu-jitsu. Quiet, quiet, no lane spinning, quiet. Got somebody up there who does not like, or may not like, I'm not gonna say that. They've been nothing but amazing to me. In a recent event in my life, they've been nothing but amazing to me. So we're not gonna be mean. We're not gonna be judgmental, at least for this episode. One thing that I'll always cherish is that if there's a cop riding with you, or la policía is riding with you, he's always gonna be all the way in the front, and everybody's gonna be behind him. So that makes me laugh all the time. Not saying that's not what I wouldn't do either. Like, look at us, we're not lane splitting and doing anything. But I just think it's hilarious. You always see that. Wherever the cop goes, everyone else just slows down and goes behind him. I legit can't hear anything but Nimbus. Like, I can't even hear these cars passing by so quickly in front of me. I can't hear that. All I hear is Nimbus. La Policia, please do not go right. Or please do not go left, my bad. Cakeinator. Okay, Van, you had to do some douchey ass thing like that. Dude, just stay behind it. You don't have to be perfectly behind the car, dog. Just stay behind. Nothing's gonna happen if there's a gap, homie. You see, even as I was turning, I gave him a nod. I don't know how you guys do not want to be my baby mama with all the stuff that I do for you guys. I love you, homie. I love you, homie. In the truck, he saw me and he moved over. Gave me a fat enough lane to cut. Fat enough lane to cut. What is that, a ZX14R? God, I want to make love to a ZX14R. It just has been a while, man. It's been a while since we've had a lot of fun with all these different ones. Because we've been doing like build series stuff. We've been doing different series. So it's just been a while, and I've done it all. Nimbus has done it all with everyone. Broly is still, you know, getting acclimated to all this stuff. But the thing is that with Nimbus, since he's done it all, it's been a while. I wanted to do it again. It's been a while, man. I wanted to do it again. Because I don't remember it as much as I used to. But the footage is there. It's just, you know, I want to remember it. I want to do it again. Damn it, I'm in the wrong lane, man. I need to be in the right lane. See, when a lot of these people are honking because of the stuff that's happening, it throws me off, man. It throws me off. As a rider, it hits my awareness because you know me, man. All my senses, man. They're catching everything, man. They're catching everything. So when I hear a honk, I'm like, what? Like a squirrel. You know, like a squirrel. I'm just like, where did that come from? Who said it? Why did they do it? Is it towards me? And if it is, what is the... Oh my God, that is loud, dog. Oh my god, dog, you gotta stop, it's right in my ear. Who's doing it, dog? Dead people's phone don't count. The space ticket can't machine wash, but to wash with. Okay, dude. That, you know, just Google that phrase and stop Biden stealing election. Biden Harris out now. How about you go to the gym and squat? Stop recording me, homies. Oh my god, that is so loud. Stop recording me, chick. See, I'm fine with all this, just don't, what do you call it, honk in my ear. Oh my god. Look, let's do longboard. I don't give an F. Okay, are you cursing at me in a foreign language now? Because that is not cool. I think they're cursing at me in a foreign language. Ooh, Ferrari. Oh my god. That is right in my... Ferrari, man. What up, dog? I think it's the guy in the Raptor, man. My ears popped like 55 times. Ah, and that's with butt plugs in my ears, so imagine how loud that is. Oh my god. Smoke it up, dog. Can't pop my ears, man. I'm trying to pop my ears, but I can't. They're just ringing. Alright, I think that's better. I can't really tell, man. This, like, I can't hear anything from this side. Because the dude was right next to me and he was blaring that. Alright, then F you, homie. But like, just think about it. Like, this exhaust is hella loud. I got earplugs on. But my ears aren't ringing. But that horn, honk, alarm thingy, man. So now you know that stuff is extremely loud, man.